The blizzard of 2022. Hey guys, so there's this apparent giant snowstorm that's gonna happen on Friday or Saturday. I think it's supposed to be a blizzard or something. Maybe either a blizzard or an ice storm. Hopefully it isn't an ice storm. I kind of hope it's a blizzard actually. Hope we have a snow day. But speaking of that, people at school were even talking about it. Even the kids, even the people in my class and stuff were talking about it. That usually doesn't happen. So we'll see what happens. It works. Okay guys, it is 6:20 p.m. Thursday evening. This is the calm before the storm. Tomorrow, Friday, which I'll record a few clips that day. The wind, I think we will have I believe gusts at highest 50 miles an hour. But right now, it's calmer than a statue. Also, the weekly AAS message came on today. So yeah, this is a start. Really tell how much is falling there. It's really starting to pick up now. It's really hard snowflakes. Not even that big, they're just really hard. Hard. Okay. See you Friday. About 3-4 hours later. Wow, it's still. Completely still. Look at that. That's 2 inches of snow. Wow. Just snow covered. I gotta get back in. See ya. It's Friday. It's about 10 o'clock. And it's snowing much anymore, but it's drifting everywhere. I'm just shut the big door. Let's see, it snowed inside a little bit. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Blown off of everything. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. It's like a tornado. Jesus, look at that. That is cool. Looks like sand dunes or something. My dad's van has a mid-fade. I'm trying to go through here. Look at that. Over a foot of snow. Wow. Ridiculous. Look at our windows. Going up the windows. One stupid nuts. Look at that. It's all frozen sideways on the car. Look at that. Again, it's all frozen sideways. It feels like icicles. Look how messed up all that is. It's all just pushed over. I believe the wind chill's about negative. What's it? Negative. I haven't checked it actually. If I have to guess, it's probably -4, -5 or something. I should probably get inside. Look at my finger. I poked it and it hasn't gone away. It is hard. Look at this. I'm telling you, I'm done. I'm done with living here. Look at this. Okay, I can't do this. But they're... Look. Jeez. I can't breathe. Ah. Oh, my finger! My finger! I just slipped backwards. Look at that. Look at that. I gotta put this down. I gotta put this down. I gotta put this down. I don't know what I... My fingers start to turn kind of blue. Half of me is all white. I look like a crackhead. Wow. Look out there again. Look at that. Jeez. That's ridiculous. Wow. I guess I'll check you guys. I'll check with you on an update or Saturday or something. Christmas Eve. So I guess a early Merry Christmas. I can't talk right now. I can't think. Okay, see. Wow. It is Saturday. It is 13 degrees outside. No, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The wind chill is, I don't know, this time around. It is 4:00 p.m. Again, Saturday. Less windy today. It's still windy, but less windy. Excuse me, that's for sure. Just gonna take a peek around and look what happened. This is crazy. It's just berm. This berm that goes that far down. Look at that. All of that happened yesterday. It's even snowing right now. Like, let me zoom in on that dude's chair, random chair in the yard. That's how much it's snowing. Berms. Look at this. That's how much snow total on that trash can. Whatever it's called. Go around back here. Foot of snow, practically. Especially right here. Look at that. Around that. Crazy. I'm dude came out of their house. Oh, look at that. Just nuts. It's all around there, too. Here. Okay, my finger's getting hard. Finger, that is. Vizio. Wow. This occurred here, too. Look at that girl's driveway. Well, this will probably be uploaded tomorrow. This entire saga made into one movie. Thanks for enjoying. Look at this. This is later Saturday. It's 11. I think it's 11. Maybe 11:30. I haven't been paying attention. All I know is it's past 10. Look at this. Open the door and it's that much on the ground. Look at all this stuff in the air. Look at the cars and stuff. Everywhere. Everywhere. Look at the stairs. It's like they're not even there. Thank you for watching my mini movie about the blizzard of 2022. This came out late, but what matters is that it came out. So thank you for watching and thank you for enjoying it.